I'm Tom Samuelson. I do orthopedic sports medicine and I work for Kansas City Bone and Joint. My subspecialty training is in orthopedic sports medicine and I deal with primarily athletic injuries. I tend to focus more on the knee and the shoulder, but I do all kinds of sports medicine injuries. It's great to work with patients. I like to work with people and solving their problems. Not every patient needs the same type of fix or a cure or procedure, and part of the art of medicine is to determine what is necessary for that patient and determine what you can then do to make them better. I think education is very important. Patients demand information and education these days, and we can provide a lot of that information to them in the office. It's important for us to let them know what it is that they need to learn about their particular medical problem and educate them so they have a complete understanding of what they'll be facing and what they'll be dealing with.